welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to go over exactly how I made a little over £5,000 from literally selling a Bluetooth connection. So basically, I'm going to go through a Miro board, so just a whiteboard with a bunch of photos and stuff like that, of how I did this, obviously some proof, and how you guys can also do the same, because it's summer, we all want to spend some money, we all want to enjoy our summer, so obviously you need money. So I'm going to help you guys with that, so let's get right on into it. Those of you that haven't seen this channel before, my name is President Nikolov. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur. Currently, I have a few businesses. I have a personal brand. I'm showing people how to make money with TikTok. I've ran multiple TikTok pages that I've done nearly £1,000 in less than a month. And I have a trading bot. I have a trading program. Guys, I've got a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to go over exactly where this all started. So, you guys can see it, just for some proof. Just before I go into the start of this whole AirPod reselling business, I want to go into some proof, because this is what people want to see. People want to see social proof that I actually know what I'm talking about. So this was, I believe, our best month, December. Going into December and throughout December, this was my best month, obviously due to Christmas. People wanted to purchase stuff for their family members, friends, etc. So you guys can see here I was doing consistent £600-700 days. It was pretty consistent at this point, and I managed to make a little over £5,000 with 1.2k getting paid to me the next day. So this all started with me purchasing 10 AirPods from a Chinese supplier in DHgate. Sold them, made £430, I believe 250 of that was pure profit, which is pretty good. I was like, okay, this works. Every single penny I have into this, I'm probably going to invest, because it's making me money. I saw that it works. So then ordered another 10. Obviously you guys can see people were interested, people were sending offers. I accepted all of them because they were good prices. And pricing is super crucial in this business, because I'll tell you guys why. If you have a super low price, people are going to think, okay, this is a fake AirPods with super low quality. If it's too high, people are going to think they're actual real AirPods and expect a real quality. And also, if you guys pay attention, I'm selling second gen AirPods. The reason I'm not selling third gen AirPods Pro, because with third gens and AirPod Pros, people expect a certain level of quality. People expect sound, noise cancellation, whatever the feature is. With these, there's no features apart from sound. That's it. So there is a little bit of brains that has to go into this. And then you guys can see I ordered 15, sold them, got the account up to £863 with 300 getting paid to me the next day. And the reason I ordered 15 here was like, okay, I'm gonna order 15, see if it works. If these sell quickly, I'm gonna order more. And obviously they did. And that is what you guys need to do. If you have something that works, you need to stick to it, and you need to keep going harder and invest more. Every single time I ordered a batch, I scaled it up. Even if it was just by 2 or 5 AirPods, every single time bumped up a little bit. And then you guys can see I was becoming really efficient here. I would get an AirPod parcel, let's say, I would package them up. So as soon as I'd get an order, I'd simply print out the shipping label, put it on there, ship it off. It's that simple. I'm not wasting any time, because there was stuff that I was doing on the side at this time as well. And then you guys can see this is the notification I was getting regularly, just sale here and there regularly. And then, as I said, I just kept ordering batches of 15, 20, 25, 30. I kept scaling. And at this point, I'd sold 80, made 3.5k for an average selling price of about £50, roughly £50. And obviously, just kept doing it. Literally, just kept doing it. Went up to 4.5. And these were the orders I was getting. About 5 to 6 an hour. Sometimes it was even more, depending on the day, depending on the time. But yeah, and then I made a YouTube video on it. This was actually a challenge video. I recommend you guys watch it. I'll pin it in the left or right. I'm not really too sure. But yeah, this was pretty much a challenge video. So I timed myself how quickly I could sell 10 AirPods. So I definitely recommend you guys watch that, because it's super realistic. And I sold them within, I think it was 18 hours or something like that. So please be sure to watch it. And from here, this is where I completely cut off my AirPod reselling journey, because I had made over 5k. I was like, okay, this is cool. This video got views. People wanted to do it. I was like, okay, I'm going to show people how to do this themselves. So pretty much what I did was I created 3 Google Docs, which explains from A to Z how to get started, the best title, the best descriptions, because that is super important, the best pictures, the best suppliers are by far the most important part, and everything like that. And this guy was just one of over 56 people. He purchased it, which is not very expensive, by the way, and made over 2.6k with the information. You guys can see a little testimonial. He was super happy with it, and this proves that it does actually work. And I need to message him, because this was in June. I need to message him to see how much he's made now. But obviously, this is a lot of money for simply just taking something and just reselling it. That didn't take me long. I'd simply come home from school, just go ship off a few AirPods, and that was it. But it wasn't a difficult business to run at all, apart from just watching orders. So that's pretty much the whole video. Obviously, this seems a lot simpler than it actually was. There was a bunch of roadblocks. There was my card getting blocked. They wanted ID proof. There was a bunch of things that were difficult at times, but you have to push through it, and you have to know what you're doing. So if you guys want to join my free Telegram, please be sure to join it. It's completely free to join. I post a bunch of stuff on there, and yeah, please be sure to join it. So, for those of you wondering what I actually did with that £5,000, I invested all that money. Obviously, I bought a MacBook, I bought a phone, but I invested all the rest of that money that I had and put it into an AI trading bot that literally trades my money for me. That's exactly what I did, and that is what I still do to this minute. And obviously, I help people with trading bots. I help people set them up and give them the actual trading bot, and they make money with me. Me and my clients print. So yeah, that's for those who are wondering. So that is pretty much it. If you guys want to get started and you want to do this, obviously you have some money, you want to get started, you think it's a good business model, please shoot me a message on my Telegram. My Telegram is at PresOfNick, or just join the server. Message me through there. It's completely free to join. I can give you guys the info on how to get started, because a bunch of people bought it from me and a bunch of people are super happy with the information, because it's not expensive and it has everything you need from A to Z. Because in this, you need connections, you need suppliers. Suppliers are super, super important. You need good quality, which I also have from the suppliers, because I've sold over 100 AirPods with them without any issues. So, as I said, that is the end of the video. Sorry if this video was a bit rushed. I'm super busy. So, hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions. And as I said, join the free Telegram. Link is in the bio, or link is in the description, sorry. See you guys all in the next one.